Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Archos Core 57S, for the first you have to open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon to activate, and do the same on the second smartphone that you want to connect. So right now they are looking for each other, and just go for the more settings on the Bluetooth on your Archos. And here I get my smartphone Huawei P40 Pro, so I want to connect to it. So just click and accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see right now they are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.